It is our closest companion. But what if gravity went wrong and the moon began a death spiral toward Earth? It wouldn't be a quick impact. It would be the longest day in history. As the moon closes the distance, its gravitational pull creates tides 30,000 times stronger than normal. Global tsunamis would sweep over continents, scrubbing the land clean before the moon even touches the atmosphere. At roughly 11,000 miles out, the moon hits the Roche Limit. Earth's gravity pulls the front of the moon harder than the back, literally tearing the satellite apart. Instead of one giant impact, we get a shotgun blast of 1 trillion asteroids. The debris slams into our atmosphere at 25,000 miles per hour. The kinetic energy heats the air to thousands of degrees. The oceans boil away. The surface of the Earth is sterilized within hours. Life would be gone. But Earth would gain a haunting new beauty. The pulverized remains of the moon would settle into a massive equatorial ring. Earth would become the second Saturn of the solar system, a beautiful tombstone for the world we once knew.